Apple is rumored to be working on a foldable iPhone 14 for 2023, following in the footsteps of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip, which popularized the folding phone trend in recent years. Please like the video if you're an iPhone user. Let me know in the comments what model you are expecting to see in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. While facts on the rumored iPhone 14 Fold, or iPhone Flip, among other names, are few, we've compiled the material we have from recent stories and insider leaks. Bloomberg has suggested that such a device could be years away, while analyst Ming-Chi Kuo expects an 8-inch foldable iPhone to launch in 2023. For foldable iPhone 14 design. While the thought of an iPhone that can expand into an iPad seems exciting for on-the-go work, Bloomberg reports that Apple may instead go for a device that looks more like an old-school flip phone. Apple chose a clamshell design factor over a bigger one, like the Galaxy Z Fold, to avoid cannibalism of iPad sales, according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. As with the Galaxy Z Flip, the iPhone Flip will most likely be a standard-sized iPhone that can fold inwards when not in use. As a result, it would be a very pocketable smartphone. Of course, Apple may choose for a design that's more Galaxy Z Fold-like, with a big folding display, or even a Microsoft Surface Duo-style design, with two independent displays joined by a hinge. Both of these solutions have the potential to make the iPad more portable. For the foldable iPhone 14 display, Bloomberg claimed in mid-January that Apple has produced prototype folding iPhone screens for internal testing. According to reports, the Cupertino business was evaluating several sizes and designs for the phone, with a Galaxy Z Flip-like experience in mind. If Apple goes with this option, we should expect a tall folding screen, perhaps around 6.7 inches, that folds inwards like an old-school flip phone. The foldable 14 iPhone will most likely include a secondary screen on the exterior, similar to the Z Flip and Moto Razr 2020. If a secondary screen is utilized, it will be used to show the user basic information such as time, date, alerts, and caller information when the phone's primary display is folded. According to supposed insiders inside Apple, the corporation is working on a foldable panel with LG, while Ice Universe said late last year that Apple had invited a different manufacturer, Samsung, to deliver folding screen samples. We don't know which foldable display provider Apple will choose for their folding iPhone, but LG appears to be the most likely option for now. Again, if Apple decides to turn its folding iPhone 14 into an iPad, it's likely that Apple Pencil compatibility will be included. The Apple Pencil, which will be available separately, would allow foldable iPhone 14 users to jot notes, draw, and interact with their phone in the same way as they would with an iPad. Of course, Apple Pencil support would necessitate a sturdy, flexible display that can withstand pressure from the Apple Pencil's plastic tip without being scratched or damaged. There would be no problem covering the displays with hard, robust glass if Apple's folding iPhone used multiple screens instead of a single folding panel, like the Surface Duo does. In that case, integrating Apple Pencil capability into the foldable iPhone should be simple. For the camera on the foldable iPhone 14, while there is no information on the cameras Apple is planning for the folding iPhone 14 at this time, we can fairly anticipate it to include ultra-wide and telephoto sensors in addition to a primary camera. And, of course, a front-facing selfie camera may be hidden inside a notch or powered by under-display technology by 2022. For the software, if Apple creates a foldable iPhone similar to the Galaxy Z Flip or Moto Razr 2020, the iOS software won't have to be very different from the standard iPhone. A new notification screen for the phone's prospective secondary display would be the sole significant addition. However, if the foldable iPhone 14 is similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or Surface Duo in that it can be unfolded into a tablet, iOS might convert to iPadOS on the fly as the user unfolds the iPhone. The iPadOS UI is better adapted for bigger displays and enables split-screen multitasking, but it's not much different from iOS. A folding iPhone 14, as predicted, will have access to all of the amazing apps and games available to iPad and iPhone users, possibly making it a superb portable workstation or mobile gaming console. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.